Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard. Step 2. Uninstall the rear trailing arm, both the upper and lower control arms, and the bed mount bolts. Lift or remove your truck's bed. Note the repair section's coverage on the frame. Cut off approximately 1/2 inch to 1 inch of material from the bottom of the frame rail, including the trailing arm mount and both control arm mounts. Step 3. Grind the work area down to bare metal, removing any rust and debris. Step 4. Our part features 2 perforated plates that you can remove to fit over your forward bed mount and rear shock mount. If you decide to keep your mounts, remove the plates at this time. If not, remove your forward bed mount and/or rear shock mount. Step 5. Paint the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent rust development. Slide your center frame section onto the frame and tap it into place with a hammer. Use the frame holes to help with the alignment. C-clamp your part into place, and following proper welding procedure, tack weld the frame section onto the frame before welding the part fully. Weld 100% around all edges. Step 6. Paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall all suspension components to the frame, lower the bed back onto the frame, and reinstall the bed mount bolts and bushings. Now, get back out on the road.